This video naman is on how to change the OpenWRT Manage SSID and change its password. So first, of course, the same pa rin. Pasok tayo sa ating OpenWRT. Make sure na tama yung spelling at saka yung letters and numbers. So, capitalization din, all small. Once connected, ganun pa rin, no? So, 192.168.200.1. Of course, admin pa rin po yan. Small letters only. And then, sa ating SSID, yung OpenWRT, dito tayo sa Advanced Settings and then Wireless Setup. So here, kung makikita ninyo, dito sa baba, OpenWRT Manage and then Wi-Fi key, nakalagay po dyan, admin12345. Kung i-change po ninyo yung SSID at saka yung password, just click Apply, Save and Apply, and ma-change na po yun automatically. So, ganun lang kasimple. Ayan, maraming salamat.